Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies homemade, only way. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet while you gather 1 cup butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 3 cups flour, 2 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Combine wet and dry ingredients gently, chill the dough briefly, then roll and cut cookies to maintain shape during baking. Start by creaming room temperature butter with sugar until pale and airy, then add eggs one at a time and mix gently. Fold in flour and baking powder carefully to avoid developing gluten, which makes cookies tough. Chill the dough for 30 to 60 minutes to firm up, which helps the cookies hold shapes and improves flavor. Roll to about 3–5 mm thickness for even baking and consistent texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is easy to sip from while you bake, keeps drinks cool, and won't spill when you're juggling trays and cookie cutters. It's a small helper in the kitchen that makes long baking sessions more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place cut cookies on a lined sheet with spacing and bake for 8 to 12 minutes until the edges are set but centers are pale. Let cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes so they firm up, then transfer to a rack to cool completely. Wait until fully cooled before decorating to avoid melting the icing, and use simple royal or buttercream glazes for clean, vibrant designs that hold shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.